If you want Microsoft Edge to automatically delete your browsing history every time you close the browser, you're in the right place. This is a quick privacy setting that can help keep your browsing activity more private, especially if you share your computer or just prefer Edge to clean up after each session. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn it on step by step, and if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. This is where Edge keeps most of its main options and settings. From the drop-down menu, click Settings. That will open the full Edge settings page. On the left-hand sidebar, find and click Privacy, Search, and Services. This section controls your browsing privacy, security, and data cleanup options. Once you're in that menu, scroll down until you reach the Clear Browsing Data section. Here, you'll see an option that says, choose what to clear every time you close the browser. Click on that option to open the list of data types Edge can remove automatically. Now you'll see a series of switches for different kinds of browsing data. To enable automatic deletion of your browsing history, simply toggle the switch next to browsing history to on. Once that's enabled, Edge will clear your browsing history each time you close the browser. If you want, you can also review the other available options in this menu and decide whether you want Edge to clear additional data like cookies, download history, or cached files when you exit. Just be careful, because turning on more options means more data will be deleted automatically. After you've made your choice, you can close the Settings tab and the change will already be saved. From now on, every time you close Microsoft Edge, your browsing history will be cleared automatically, giving you a cleaner and more private browsing experience. And that's it. You've just learned how to enable delete history when you close Edge in just a few clicks. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss the next helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.